Hi everyone, on this channel I review various sites that you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Roblox gift cards completely free, which is on a site a few of you have asked me to review. Is it possible? Can you get it? Yeah, yes you can. You'll find out how on this video now. I'll just explain what a Roblox gift card is, and most people already know, but for those who don't, I think it's worth explaining. With a gift card, you can charge your Roblox account for a certain amount and then buy yourself a premium currency to use in your favorite character. For example, you can purchase Robux virtual currency on Roblox and get additional in-game content or upgrade your avatar with interesting items and more. So I think this will help many of you. This is a great site where you can get a Roblox gift cards completely free. Okay, so let's look at the content on the site. The site has already sent out thousands of gift cards and there are loads more still available. Here is some of the latest feedback from happy users. There is also a good description giving some useful information about Roblox gift cards. Right, so let's just get started. Just go to the site. You can find the link to the site in the pinned comment below. Then simply click on the Go and Get Free gift cards button. Now you will be asked to enter your username and the account can be identified through the username. Then you will get to have an indication of what type of device you're using. You need to choose the device that you're using. I'm gonna choose PC, but you can also choose mobile or tablet. Okay, now so click on continue. This is all the data needed, and now we choose the gift card that we want to get for free. I will select a $50 or maybe $100 gift card just to demonstrate how it works. So now you can just click on it and the verification process will begin. When prompted, click on the Verify for Free button to complete the process. You will be redirected to the verification box. This only takes a few minutes, but I'll fast forward this part of the video because it's boring to watch and needs no explanation as it is very easy to complete. Now all you have to do is simply retype the code that you received earlier to get the $100 gift cards or whatever you've selected. Then you'll need to complete the very short verification process, and after that you'll see the money added to your Roblox account. Great, so the site really works. Now we just enjoy our credits. So yeah, the site works and gives Roblox codes for free. I recommend it. This is a great especially for people who are just starting to play on the phone or tablet because you can get access to premium and other content. If you want me to check any other sites, please ask in the comments. I'll check most days and I'll be doing the reviews for you.